What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Max, and today we are here with this, a BMW M3 Competition xDrive 2023 model by Pure Turbos. This is the Pure Turbos development car for the G80 platform, and well, it's their own car and they're starting to push it with this car, and it is glorious. It is such a beast. So today I'm going to show you around it. I'll show you the spec, because the spec is gorgeous as well, and then we'll take it for a little drive towards the Autobahn for hopefully a nice top speed run, since it is 10 to 9 in the evening. Should be okay. Sun is setting and we've got this gorgeous Aventurine red M3. Combine that with these super cool yellow daytime running lights and you've got a really cool M3. Look at that. So we've got a very nice license plate as well, quite like that. See ya. And then we've got these signature wheels, 20-inch all around, with 285 section tires. These are Continental Sport Contact 7s. Very good tire actually. And then behind that we've got the carbon ceramic brakes by BMW M, which is a must with this kind of power. Those wheels do look very good. It also has KW V3 suspension, so it's much lower than stock. Looks so much better. And then at the rear we've got this Active Autowerken exhaust. It actually has the full exhaust from Active Autowerken, so it's got 400 cell catalytic converter downpipes. Then we've got an equal length midpipe and the Active Autowerken back box as well. Looks cool with that carbon. Nice design there with the logo. And it sounds really good. It sounds completely different from all the other G80s we've done, which is nice for a change. It definitely does not have that like high-pitched raspy sound, that really loud sound. It's a bit more civilized, I would say, and it definitely has like an own sound, which is nice. So we've got the S58, of course, just a gem of a power plant. This engine is so over-engineered. It can do so much. And I mean, the fact that we are currently running 750 horsepower on stock turbos is just amazing to me. So how did they get this 750 horsepower? Well, we've got a custom map by HC Performance on the boot mod platform, and that's basically it. It's stock turbos, it's just those downpipes and an ECU remap, a good one by HC Performance, and Bob's your uncle, basically. It's quite amazing that you can do this with this car, with this little work. Oh, but we do have meth injection. So we've got a little tank there, methanol tank, and so that does keep everything nice and cool. But other than that, that's the only mods we've got. But it's really crazy to think that with a few little changes, you know, an already very fast car turns into just an absolute monster of a car. It really is. So interior, this is a 2023 car, as I said, so we have the dual screen setup. I don't think anyone is here, so we can give it a few little revs. You can hear that's a very low, deep sound. It sounds really different. I quite like it. So let's go and have a drive in this crazy machine. And when I say it is really freaking fast, I mean it. It is such a crazy car. So sound wise, oh, it sounds really good. Oh, it sounds racy as well. I really like that. Those 400, ooh, that's a bit too high. Those 400 cell catalytic converters in those downpipes really like take the edge off, and I really like that. It makes it a bit more pleasant than some of the other like really loud G80s we've had, like the D-Cats especially, but also our 200 cell downpipes, they still have that volume. This seems to take the edge off. We also have XHP software for the gearbox, by the way, which is super aggressive as well. Completely changes the character of the gearbox. Like it's like a DCT. Such a quick shift. Oh my lord, this thing is so quick, it just takes off. And then xDrive, of course, means that it doesn't really matter where you put your foot down, it will go, and it will put down four-wheel slides. So if we do a launch control, let's do that after the houses, I can also show you that that actually works with this gearbox. So this ZF 8-speed actually is able to take that power, put it on the floor, put it on the street, and just take off. So I'll just stop the car right here. First gear. Foot on the brake firmly, full throttle. Oh, that is so quick. We actually did a 2.46 0 to 100, which is just mental. Even if you like feather the throttle, the thing just moves. Oh, these cars, these M3s are so insane. I quite like the V3 KW as well. Because it takes a lot of the body roll out of the body, and it just gives you a little bit more control, which is nice, of course. Now, of course, you guys know that you can disconnect the front axle, essentially giving you a rear-wheel drive car. And it will spin its wheels all through third gear as well if you keep it pinned. Yeah, it is insane the way this thing just eats up those rear tires. Now, of course, we want to know what this thing does on the Autobahn. It should be nice and empty now. It is 9:15. Four-wheel drive sport is also really nice for this car because it just gives you that rear balance with a little bit of front traction. Okay, here we go. Oh, holy moly, it just shoots into the distance. That is crazy. That is absolutely mental. Yes. So 6 gear 250, the way it picks up. That is so sick. Just look at the way this thing goes. Oh man, this is such an incredible platform. The stability of the car as well, and the brakes just mean that you can actually do it. You can actually use it. You can use that power. You can do these high speeds. Suspension still soaks up those bumps nicely, so we'll turn around. As I said, all through third gear. What a monstrous car. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. So let's see if we have a bit more luck on this side. It's really weird that there are like these groups. Let's find out what we can do. So that's 7th gear. Absolutely insane. Peter and guys at Pure Turbos, you have built an absolute monster of a car. This thing is crazy, absolutely insane. It runs so well and it just keeps going. It's absolutely mental. I can't believe that this is just software and a bit of math injection. And I mean, that XHP software for the gearbox is crazy as well. Yeah, wow, what a car, what a freaking car. Thank you so much for taking it to us. I know that Peter is also going to try and see what he can do with some stickier tires, because this car now is doing 5.2 seconds 100 to 200, and a sub 10-second quarter mile, and he said, well, let's find out if we can do that 0 to 100 even quicker with sticky tires, and of course that quarter mile should improve then as well. But oh man, it's already so fast, absolutely insane. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video on the right or this playlist on the left. See you at the next one. Bye.